Okay guys, we will try to throw the bird if Sheeba will get it.
Come here.
That's Sheeba over there. Okay, and that's the bird.
See? Sheeba. Smell it. Sit. Stay. Sit. Come here. Give it to me. Sheeba. Drop it.
Hi guys, it's me again, Mommy Yells. And for today's video, I will make a fake pheasant's bird for my hunting dog, Sheeba. Come on, let's do it. I have birds in here that I bought in Shields. I have the feathers of real pheasants. And I have a pheasant scent. I have a glue gun as well. Glue gun to attach the feathers. Come on, let's do it. And Sheeba is waiting over there. So I already attached the one wings here. And I will attach the second wings or feathers. It's the real feathers of pheasants. I will get my glue gun. Smell burning. I put more. And I will attach here. Over here. Oops. Why they are both I think they are both right. Right?
Yeah.
This is both right. We bought the same right. Well, it is what it is, so. And then I'll put him here, a little here. To make it real one. Ouch. There you go. It's done. Even they are both right. We will change it later. Or we will buy another feathers. And this is my fake pheasants, but with a real feather of pheasants. And we will put this to make it more realistic. There you go. Touch to the body. and we will try to throw it. Okay guys, we will try to throw the bird if Sheeba will get it.
Come here.
That's Sheeba over there. Okay, and that's the bird.
See? Sheeba. Smell it. Sit. Stay. Okay. Come here. Give it to me. Sheeba. Drop it.
She's smelling it.
Stay. Fish. Come here. Sheeba. Come here, give it to me. Sheeba. Hey.
She's smelling the bird.
Jeez, it's wet. Come here. You stay here. Okay. Come here. Sheeba. Sheeba, bitch. Sheeba.
That's a new smell for her.
Sheeba, come fetch it. Hey, Sheeba.
Come over here.
Sheeba, come. Come give me the bird. Sheeba. Ah, she already wrecked it.
She already killed the bird. But it's just a fake bird. So come over here.
Later.
She's so excited when she saw birds. So for now it's okay. That's her first day to smell the bird. We have hunting pheasants on April 15 and 16, so I will try to teach her for that day, prepare her for that day. So let us see what will happen on April 15 and 16 for our hunting. Last year I cannot shoot because I got injured. My left shoulder or my two ribs dislocate, so maybe this year. And I have a new shotguns and rifle as well. So thank you guys for watching. Love you.